Good evening, Miss. Presentation, Paolo Guerrero. Paolo Guerrero was born in Lima in 1984. He started playing football when he was very young. In 2002, he joined Bayern Munich in Germany. Later, he played for Hamburg and Corinthians. In 2019, he led Peru to final of the Copa America. His goals were celebrating by far all over the country. Thank you, Miss.